Hello and welcome to this Google Hangout on Air. I am AJ D'Amico and today we will be covering data analytics. Here is an overview of what we will be covering. First, we will look at what data analytics are and how data analytics work. Then we will look at the process of data analytics, specifically looking at each step. We will also be covering some of the benefits of data analytics that data analytics has in business. I'll start with the question, what is data analytics? Data analytics refers to the process of collecting, organizing, and analyzing large sets of data to discover patterns and other useful information within the data. Data analytics is used in many industries to allow companies and organizations to make better business decisions and in the science to verify or disapprove existing models and theories. Big data analytics can help organizations to better understand the information contained within the data and will also help identify the data that is most important to the business and the future business decisions. Now let's look at what data analytics is from a business standpoint. According to businesses, IT leaders can take existing business information and make better informed and more rapid decisions to be made that will allow companies to cost and performance optimize their entire infrastructure. Now that we understand what data analytics is, let's answer the question, how does it work? Data analytics is the process of obtaining raw data and converting it into information useful for decision-making users. Data is collected and analyzed to answer questions, test hypotheses, and disprove theories. Now let's take a look at the process of data analytics. Analysis refers to breaking a whole into separate components of individual examination. Data analysis is a process of obtaining raw data and converting it into information useful for decision-making users. Some of the components to this process are listed here. They are data requirements, data collection, data processing, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, modeling and algorithms, data product, and last but not least, communication. Now that you know what they are, we will take a deeper look into each of them. We will start with data requirements. The data necessary as inputs to the analysis are specified based upon requirements of those directing the analysis or customers who will use the finished product of their analysis. The general type of entity upon which the data will be collected is referred to as an experimental unit. The next step is data collection. Data is collected from various sources. The data is collected by analysis and custodians of the data and may also be collected by sensors in the environment such as traffic cameras, satellites, and recording devices. Data processing is the next step. It refers to the organization of data. The data initially obtained must be processed or organized for analysis. This may involve putting the data into columns or rows. Next is data cleaning. This is the need for data to be cleaned or reorganized from problems in the way the data is entered or stored. Data cleaning is the process of preventing and correcting errors. Exploratory data analysis. Analysis may apply a variety of different techniques referred to as exploratory data analysis to begin understanding the message contained in the data. This is basically breaking down the data to understand what it is telling us. Now we're moving on to modeling and algorithms. When organizing data, mathematical formulas or models called algorithms may be applied to the data to identify relationships among variables. Data product refers to a computer application that takes data inputs and generates an output. And lastly is communication. Once the data is analyzed, it may be reported in many formats to the user of the analysis to support their requirements. It is important to report data in many different formats so that everyone can understand the data that is being presented. Now on to the benefits that data analytics can offer business. The first benefit is data analytics gets the right information for your business. The second benefit is the value that data analytics has in IT to your business. And the third is that data analytics allows company to bridge the gap between business and IT. The first benefit, data analytics will get the right information for your business. If used correctly, data analytics can focus in on the right information by asking what's important to the business. This is a key point in obtaining better data context, which will lead your business towards better success. The second benefit is value in IT to your business. It does this by focusing on business goals and understanding how the use of IT service contributes to business results and provides the best bias for planning future services. And the final benefit is that data analytics will allow companies to bridge the gap between business and IT. This gap is closed because the people in IT use data analytics to get a great amount of information that the businesses need for success. In conclusion, data analytics can bring IT and business together to improve performance and bring the company success. Here are my sources, and thank you for listening to my presentation on data analytics.